Viscon Rubber Private Limited is a leading rubber product manufacturing company established in the year 1998. Apart from the quality focus, we lay a lot of stress on safe practices, occupational health awareness, and safeguarding the environment. Hence, in addition to our ISO 9001-2015, IATF 16949-2016, REACH and ROHS certifications, we are now additionally certified for ISO 14001-2015 and ISO 45001-2018. We have two manufacturing plants in Pune, Maharashtra, 40,000 square feet plant 1 and registered office located at Chakan, and 11,000 square feet plant 2 and corporate office located at Bhosari. Our products are manufactured from various elastomeric rubbers like NBR, HNBR, EPDM, silicone, FKM, ACM, NR and many more. We design and establish critical rubber formulations for high tension applications such as electrical resistivity, fogging resistance, oil, heat, ozone and chemical resistance. Our customized rubber compounds can meet or exceed a wide range of product requirements. We are engaged in manufacturing, export and supply of rubber molded products, rubber to metal bonded products, rubber extruded products, rubber hoses, rubber gaskets and rubber sheet skirtings. We offer a wide range of products such as rubber O-rings, grommets, bellows, diaphragms, pressure cups, neck rings, sealing rings, oil seals, rubber buffers, dampers, mountings, washers, rubber beadings, cords, tubes and profiles, rubber suction and discharge hoses, cement grouting hoses, hump hoses, rubber gaskets, rubber sheets and skirtings useful for various industrial segments. First in, first out is followed for all raw materials, rubber chemicals, batches and components. Viscon Rubber is equipped with automatic PLC HMI driven chemical batch weighing system for weighing raw materials, oil and carbon black for zero error weighing, based on Poka-Yoke with an accuracy of below 1 gram. It follows the FIFO system. The rubber compound as specified in the system procedure is tested for hardness, tensile strength and elongation in our in-house lab to ensure a stable process, that means to meet customer specifications and requirements. We also have semi-automatic CNC rubber strip cutting machine for tailor-made cutting to prevent blank-to-blank variation that provides high-level accuracy in the process of strip cutting. This eliminates short filling and excess flash in the molding process. A cold storage room facility has been allocated for storing, where the temperature and humidity of the room are controlled and monitored. Our molds are designed and manufactured with advanced tear and trim technology, which produces flashless rubber products. We have a high-end imported rubber molding setup with machine capacity ranging from 80 to 400 ton with production compound conversion capacity of 600 ton per year, which includes installed injection molding, vacuum compression molding and transfer molding machines in our facility. Last 2 decades, Viscon has established itself as a specialist in manufacturing rubber molded products of various sizes and specifications. Our products are developed and manufactured with latest and highly efficient technologies in our manufacturing plants. We have an in-house facility of rubber deflashing machine that has a multifold efficiency with 80,000 pieces per hour capacity, which improves quality, stability, edge precision and pass rate of our products. We also have waterjet technology-based cutting solutions to fulfill industry-specific needs. The bed size of our waterjet cutting machine is 4 meters into 2 meters. We can make inlay work in rubber sheets as per given design, which are used for skirting in screening machines of road construction. We have dedicated manufacturing setup of extrusion facility that provides us with the opportunity to be versatile for manufacturing extrusion products, thus leading our customers to appreciate the one-stop solution we offer. Viscon is widely recognized for the variety and quality of hoses manufacturing, which includes flexible hoses, suction and discharge hoses, expansion joint and camlock coupling. Viscon is a strategic alliance partner, contract manufacturing, with Messrs. Henkel Adhesive Technologies India Private Limited for manufacturing of butyl tapes and NVH pads for automotive and home appliances sector in India. Major customer spectrum covers Maruti Suzuki, Honda, Toyota, Fiat Chrysler Automobiles, Mahindra and Mahindra, Tata Motors, Morris Garages, Whirlpool, etc. Our contract manufacturing facility is spread over a 9,000 square feet area. The facility comprises extrusion manufacturing having 6 extrusion lines, which deliver approximately 25 million products annually, mass and finished goods storage and packaging area with controlled environment. We are equipped with optical measuring, inspection and sorting machine for inspection of rubber products. This machine is capable of inspecting all critical dimensional measurements, visual defects like short filling, cut marks, air traps and foreign particles with a high level of accuracy which has been appreciated by our customers. The machine can inspect all parameters with a speed of 250 parts per minute. Our lab is well equipped with all kinds of physical aging and chemical testing facilities as per IS, SAE, ASTM and DIN standards, which includes precise testing equipment like oscillating disc rheometer, UTM, IR-HD hardness tester, specific gravity balance, muffle furnaces, Mooney viscometer, oven, compression set, cold chamber and ozone chamber. As a part of quality assurance, we use low-pressure digital vernier for measuring product dimensions. We measure critical product dimensions on a profile projector that ensures accuracy and customers' confidence. We also inspect critical parameters for visual inspection under magnifying lenses with proper lighting of 800 to 1200 lux level to eliminate fitment issues at later stages before it reaches to the customer. We have a workforce of over 200 people that consists of highly qualified technical professionals and highly skilled intellectual staff of chemists for elastomer compound design. We build our strength through our team skills and competencies by conducting strategic and tactical training to all associates, staff and managerial leadership. Training results are monitored and recorded for effectiveness through business growth. At Viscon, we have enforced the Kaizen method into a manufacturing system for molded rubber products. Kaizen is a Japanese approach to productivity improvement focused on reducing costs, increasing productivity, and enhancing value without any expensive technological innovation. Viscon Rubber follows world-class standards to cater to a list of satisfied clienteles that stands through testimony to Viscon's commitment to the quality and timely delivery achievements. Viscon Rubber has been recognized by its customers with Excellent Supplier Awards and other quality-related awards. Our products are used in various industries like automotive, road construction equipment, pumps and motors, oil gas exploration and distribution, toys, industrial equipment, renewable energy and process industry. Our valuable clients are Tata Cummins, Bajaj Auto, Kirloskar, Henkel, 3M, Vidgun, Sandvik, Aman, Minda, Foratia, Lucas TVS, Hasbro, BPCL, HPCL, IOCL, La Gajar, Haier, Racold, Raychem, Leone and many more. Continual improvement and management projects helps us to set industry-leading standards and practices, which makes our business more sustainable and enhances customer, supplier and employee satisfaction. Viscon is also committed towards environmental protection in every aspect of its business process. We drive and recognize the importance of safeguarding our natural resources and global environmental heritage. Mr. Sanjay Kadlag, CEO, and Mrs. Neelam Kadlag, Managing Director of Viscon Rubber Private Limited, believe in setting industry standards that can offer the best quality products and services to the clients as per their specific demands. The company has a vision for the future and has also defined its business plan for the next 10 years of growth.